knocks me down again. There's some things in life you can't explain, so I'm talking to God, praying for rain, so I can stand tall in a storm like a live oak tree. No one in this world's gonna ever get the best of me. Running down a dream like I'm chasing a train, finding who I am a little more every day. 'Cause I'm just a girl talking to God, praying for rain. I see the world through my mama's eyes, but I got my grandpa's stubborn pride, and I hope that I never change. So I'm talking to God, praying for rain, so I can stand tall in a storm like a live oak tree. No one in this world's gonna ever get the best of me. Running down a dream like I'm chasing a train, finding who I am a little more every day. 'Cause I'm just a girl talking to God, praying for rain. So I can stand tall in a storm like a live oak tree. No one in this world's gonna ever get the best of me. Running down a dream like I'm chasing a train, finding who I am a little more every day. 'Cause I'm just a girl talking to God, praying for rain. Yeah, I'm just a girl talking to God, praying for rain.